The Bedford CA Dormobile Caravan is one of the most distinctive camper vans of the post-war era, combining practical engineering with innovative design. Its story begins with Bedford Vehicles, founded in 1931 as part of Vauxhall Motors, which itself had been acquired by General Motors in 1925. Bedford quickly became a leading European manufacturer of light, medium, and heavy-duty lorries, building a reputation for durability and utility. In 1952, the company introduced the Bedford CA, a forward-control light commercial vehicle designed to maximize cargo space. Powered by a 1.5-liter inline four-cylinder engine shared with the Vauxhall Victor, the CA delivered about 50 horsepower. Though modest in output, the engine was robust, easy to service, and well-suited to both urban and rural work. The CA was offered in multiple configurations, including panel van, pickup, minibus, and chassis cab, making it a versatile platform for businesses and private users alike. Its adaptability soon attracted the attention of Martin Walter Lidded, a long-established coach builder in Folkestone, Kent. By the mid-1950s, Martin Walter began converting the Bedford CA into the Dormobile Caravan. The conversion included a pop-up roof for standing room, folding seats that transformed into beds, and compact living amenities such as a sink, gas stove, and cupboards. These features allowed the van to sleep up to 4 people. What began as a tax avoidance strategy, classifying the vehicles as campers rather than estate cars, evolved into a cultural phenomenon. The Dormobile became a symbol of leisure and freedom in Britain during the 1950s and 1960s, rivaling the popularity of Volkswagen's Type 2 bus. Even writer Anthony Burgess famously toured Europe with his family in a Dormobile. The 1961 Bedford CA Dormobile represented the model at its peak. Restorations of surviving examples reveal burgundy and cream exteriors, original Dormobile badging, and interiors fitted with both period and modern camping equipment. Many feature improved refrigerators, wastewater systems, and upgraded bedding while retaining their iconic fold-out roof and versatile layout. Today, the Bedford Dormobile is increasingly sought after by vintage camper enthusiasts. Its rarity outside the United Kingdom, combined with its historic role in shaping camper culture, ensures its place as one of the most charming and practical classics of its kind. A well-preserved or carefully restored 1961 Dormobile continues to draw attention at car shows, campsites, and auctions, embodying the spirit of adventure that defined an era.